are now going to apply the initial configs for our controllers and the vEdges. I will do it for the 3 controllers and the 2 vEdges of site 1, and then I will do the rest in the background. That's way this session won't take too long. And then I will also like to bring to your attention that the vEdge takes quite a lot of memory. I'm running quite a lot of equipment, so I set it up to 6,000. You can give it 4,000, 4 gig, that will be fine. And for the vEdges I give it 1,500, and vSmart you can go with 2024. So that's just to let you know in terms of requirements for the RAM. Let's go ahead and apply the configs. So I will bring this up. And while it's setting up, okay, so there are a couple of items that you need to make sure they match across your lab. I mean through the entire lab. The name of the organization should be the same, and each equipment should have a system IP, which should be different because it's kind of the same as a router ID for routing protocols. And then the site ID, if you have 2 equipments at the same site, they will go with the same site ID. And then this is the IP address of the vBond, the one that we configured on the vManage GUI. So it's going to be applied on all equipments. And we have the MPLS signed, which will go with VPN 512 at this when we're setting up the control plane. So let's go ahead and start. Admin. Oh, I'm already in, sorry. So let's start with this, and I will just take all the configs, make sure that they're all good, commit, and then this is the vBond. And like I said, this is the command that makes the vBond to act as the vBond. vBond, the IP address local, so it's me, the vBond. And let me take this part and apply it, commit, and so let's try to ping 192.100.1.1, which is the IP address of vManage. We have our ping, which means that the internet side is working. And this is for vSmart. So let's go ahead and apply these lines. So while you're doing this, you can just follow the commands and let me check. Okay, and I can commit. And then now we're going to test a ping to 172.16.100.1. It's gonna fail because this is on VPN 512, and as you can see, the default ping is sent from VPN 0. So in order for it to be successful, of course, if there is IP reachability, we need to add 512. Then if we ping, we have our pings a successful ping. So now we're going on vEdge 1. The first vEdge of site 1. we give it this host name, and it will go with this IP address, and this is the site ID. So let's take this. Okay, it should come. I will take this, come here and apply. I can commit. Okay, and then for the vEdge, the second vEdge, 112, and then yeah, so let's take this. Okay, so that's all for this session, and thanks for watching. I will see you on the next session when we will start working on the certificates of our controllers and the vEdges. I will see you there.